Should you really be driving and talking on the phone?
What do you mean talking? No, I've told you this a million times. My car has this Bluetooth thing where I can speak to you.
BDH cursed is a good one
I'm not
too.
holding my phone. I'm not
on.
looking at my phone.
That's good. That's good.
It's like if you were in my car, which you wouldn't be. I'd throw you out. I'd open up the window.
Why would you throw me out? That's mean. Don't even say that. You're a jerk. So if I was riding in your car, you would.
If you were riding me? What?
If I was
relax.
language.
Relax.
Stop it. If I was riding in your car, wait, don't look at the egg. Okay. If I was riding,
yes, we would have sex, Bad. If that's what you're trying to ask.
I'm in the middle of streaming. Why would you say that?
What?
That's it. I'm giving my dog a treat just for that. I'm sorry, puppy.
Is that? Wow, what a punishment.
No, I'm giving her.
Wow, I'm never gonna curse again.